Today, we're diving into the top 15 most affordable, powerful, and downright cool electric cargo bikes you can buy right now. Some of these even cost less than a used scooter. Links to find more information are in the description. Let's roll. Number 15, Rad Power Bikes, RadWagon 4. Starting with the currently priced $14.99 Rad Power Bikes RadWagon 4, a highly popular long-tailed cargo e-bike designed to carry heavy loads while remaining stable and comfortable. Powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor and a 672 watt-hour removable battery, it supports a total payload of up to 350 pounds, including up to 120 pounds on the integrated rear rack. Its unique 22 by 3-inch custom-sized fat tires and low step-through frame contribute to a low center of gravity and ride balance. Riders of all heights from 5'1" to 6'4" can find a comfortable fit thanks to an adjustable seat post and wide handlebars. Number 14, Decathlon R500E. Or the Decathlon R500E Longtail Cargo e-bike is a practical electric cargo bike designed for anyone needing to haul serious loads. It's equipped with a 250-watt rear hub motor that delivers 58 Nm of torque, as well as a torque sensor system. It too features a sturdy long-tail frame with a 26-inch front wheel and smaller 20-inch rear wheel, lowering the cargo area for stability. Pretty cool, right? It includes hydraulic disc brakes, an 8-speed microshift drivetrain, a front suspension fork, and an integrated rear rack built to carry kids, gear, or even a second adult. And at around 84 pounds, it's a heavy bike, but its strong build, well-tuned motor, and solid cargo capacity make it one of the best value cargo e-bikes on the market today. Number 13, Velotric Packer 1. The Velotric Packer 1 is a powerful and thoughtfully designed cargo electric bike priced at just $17.99. It's powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor that peaks at 1200 watts and delivers 75 Nm of torque. The bike features a 690 watt-hour removable battery built with LG cells, providing up to 50 miles of range. Built for heavy-duty use, it supports a massive 440-pound payload, including up to 176 pounds on the rear rack, making it great for families, delivery riders, or anyone replacing a car for daily errands. The frame uses a long-tail design with that smaller 20-inch rear wheel to lower the cargo deck and improve stability. For its price, it's one of the most well-equipped and versatile cargo e-bikes available today. Hey, do you like e-ridables like these? Subscribe! It really helps us out and is much appreciated. Number 12, EUNORAU Max Cargo. Or for about $100 less, you could have the EUNORAU Max Cargo. Priced at $16.99, the Max Cargo is a long-tail cargo e-bike that balances heavy hauling capability with notable affordability. Powered by a 750-watt nominal and up to 1,000-watt peak direct drive hub motor, it offers reliable Class 2 performance that can be unlocked to Class 3 speeds. It too supports an impressive 440-pound payload capacity and features an aluminum step-through frame with 24-inch wheels. Ride quality is stated to be solid but firm, and braking performance is commendable. The direct drive motor's durability, large heatsink design, and available upgrades set it apart, making it a budget-friendly alternative to premium cargo e-bikes. Number 11, Himiway Big Dog. Now, the Himiway Big Dog is a rugged, fat-tire cargo e-bike built for hauling and everyday utility, and it's priced at around $17.99 when on sale. It's powered by a 750-watt hub motor and features a massive 960 watt-hour Samsung battery, delivering a claimed range of 40 to 50 miles. Plus, with that 400-pound payload capacity and rear rack rated for 120 pounds, the Big Dog is perfect for carrying gear, groceries, or even a child seat. Its step-through frame is paired with 20 by 4-inch fat tires and an 80mm suspension fork. Additional features include a full LCD with USB charging, front and rear lights, a wooden-topped rear rack, a dual-leg kickstand, fenders, and disc brakes with 180mm rotors. Number 10, Lectric XPedition 2.0. Now, the Lectric XPedition 2.0 is another standout cargo e-bike. Why is that? With prices starting at $13.99 for the single battery model, it's engineered to haul up to 450 pounds. A 750-watt hub motor with 1300 watts peak delivers powerful performance and even features the more modern torque sensor system. The 2.0 also has front suspension with 50 millimeters of travel, hydraulic disc brakes, and a Shimano 8-speed drivetrain, all riding on a low-step, long-tail frame with 20-inch wheels. A new color LCD provides ride data and USB charging, while integrated lighting, a dual-leg kickstand, and multiple compatible accessories make it ready to ride straight out of the box. Number 9. GoPower GoCargo. But for $100 more, you could get your hands on the GoPower GoCargo. Priced at $14.99, the GoCargo is a heavy-duty, long-tail cargo e-bike purpose-built for serious hauling. Its 750-watt geared hub motor delivers reliable Class 2 assistance, helping you maintain speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Plus, a 480 watt-hour removable battery provides an estimated 36 miles of range. And with a generous 350-pound payload capacity and integrated running boards, it supports families and carry-heavy routines. It includes commuter-friendly touches like front and rear lights, fenders, and a center kickstand, making it ride-ready right out of the box. Number 8. Magnum Payload. The Magnum Payload, on the other hand, currently priced at $16.99 and with fewer than 50 units remaining at the time of this recording, is a sleek and capable long-tail cargo e-bike complete with wood paneling and leather trim. Built on a sturdy step-through frame, it features front and integrated rear cargo racks with bamboo decking and footrests, offering a useful platform for loads or passenger setups. Despite its size, the Payload is praised for its agility and rideability. Under the hood, a 500-watt DOS kit rear hub motor delivers up to 90 Nm of torque, enabling pedal assist speeds up to 25 miles per hour and throttle-based assist up to 20 miles an hour. Other practical touches include puncture-resistant tires, integrated fenders, durable kickstand, and integrated lights. Number 7. Ride One Up Portola Cargo. And at just $995, the Ride One Up Portola Cargo is a cargo-style folding e-bike that is well worth the price. It's powered by a 750-watt hub motor that delivers Class 3 speeds up to 28 miles per hour. And despite its compact, foldable frame, the Portola rides big and smooth thanks to its 20x3-inch tires, 80mm suspension fork, and integrated rear rack capable of hauling 150 pounds, making it suitable for cargo, panniers, or even children's seats. It even includes higher-end specs not usually available at this price point. The sleek frame integrates the battery and wiring, and it folds up into a very compact footprint while weighing right at 59 pounds, light enough to fold and store, yet surprisingly stable when riding. Number 6. Xtracycle Hopper. And for a little bit more money, the Xtracycle Hopper, priced at $24.99, is a compact yet highly capable cargo e-bike designed to offer serious hauling power without the bulk of a full-size longtail. The Hopper measures about the size of a standard bicycle while being able to carry up to 500 pounds. That's like having a quarter-ton pickup truck at your disposal. It's equipped with a 750-watt hub motor and even a torque-sensing pedal assist system. The bike features a cargo-rated suspension fork, 20x2.5-inch tires, and hydraulic disc brakes. Standard accessories like the front porter rack, hoopty passenger rails, and sturdy dual-leg kickstand make it family-ready right out of the box. With its compact footprint, the Xtracycle Hopper is a perfect solution for anyone looking to replace car trips with a nimble yet heavy-duty electric cargo bike. Number 5. Engwe LE20 Cargo. Now the Engwe LE20 Cargo, priced at a stellar $12.99 for the single and $15.99 for the dual battery version, is a long-tail cargo e-bike with a 440-pound cargo capacity. At its core, the LE20 features a 750-watt hub motor capable of reaching those Class 3 speeds of 28 miles per hour. The base model includes a sizable 922 watt-hour battery with the option to add a second identical unit, essentially doubling its range. The design includes 20-inch puncture-resistant tires, a front suspension fork, a torque sensor pedal assist system, and even safe board covers that protect hands and feet. The rear rack is ready for accessories, like passenger seats and cargo bags, and the color LCD clearly displays ride data. At around 81 pounds for the single battery version and over 90 pounds for the dual, it's heavy but manageable, especially given the range and hauling potential. Number 4. Aventon Abound. Rolling into the list with serious style, it's the Aventon Abound, and trust me, this one abounds with awesome features. If you thought hauling kids, groceries, or even your dog on a bike sounded exhausting, think again. The Aventon Abound turns cargo duty into pure joy. This stylish utility e-bike packs a powerful 750-watt motor and a long rear rack ready for passengers, panniers, or that oversized plant you convinced yourself that you needed. It even has footboards and a running board built right in, so your little passengers ride in comfort. Plus, that cool step-through frame means anyone can hop on with ease. Top speed, a zippy 20 miles per hour, range up to 50 miles depending on how loaded down you are. It's basically your very own electric minivan, but way cooler. Not bad for $15.99. Number 3. Benno Boost. If you ever dreamed of a cargo bike that feels more like a muscle car disguised as a commuter, meet the Benno Boost. This thing isn't just built to carry stuff, it's built to dominate the cargo game. The Boost rocks a rugged aluminum frame with 24-inch tires that soak up bumps and keep your ride super stable, even when you've got kids, gear, or the entire farmer's market strapped to your back. What really makes it shine is the Bosch Performance Line motor. You'll feel like you've got bionic legs every time you take off from a stoplight, even with a full load. Number 2. Rad Power Bike's RadRunner. Ah, the RadRunner. Part cargo bike, part cruiser, part urban legend. This little workhorse has basically taken over the e-bike world, and for good reason. It's affordable at $14.99, and it looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. First off, this thing is built tough. The RadRunner rocks chunky all-terrain tires, a sturdy step-through frame, and a long rear rack that's ready to carry groceries, gear, or your favorite passenger. And yes, they even sell a comfy padded seat so your buddy or your kid can ride along in style. Number 1. Heybike Hauler. Now this one I've actually ridden, tested, and reviewed myself, so believe me when I say the Heybike Hauler means business. First off, don't let the compact size fool you. This thing is a total workhorse. It's built tough with 20-inch fat tires that handled city streets, sidewalks, and dirt paths like a champ when I was able to take it for a spin. Add a passenger seat or your panniers and you've got yourself a little electric pickup truck. Power-wise, the hauler doesn't disappoint. It's rocking a 750-watt rear hub motor that I definitely noticed how effortlessly it handled hills, stairs, and trails. And with a tested top speed of 28 miles per hour, this is a proper Class 3 e-cargo bike. Plenty fast enough to keep up with city traffic. The battery gave me a solid range of up to 50 miles, and for a cargo bike, that's actually rare. Overall, after riding it myself, I can tell you the Heybike Hauler is tough, practical, surprisingly fast, and way more fun than I expected. Whether it's for errands, passengers, or spontaneous adventures, this thing hauls it all. At any rate, thanks for learning about these cargo e-bikes with me. This was a fun list to research and create. Let me know your faves or least faves below, and be sure to check out these additional e-ridables I've put in this list right here. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.